Oh, hey guys! Today is self-care Saturday, and for today's focus area, I'm going to be focusing on my brows and my lashes, because we all know that as women we love to have beautiful brows, long lashes. So for my brow and lash care treatment, I use my very own One True Natural castor oil mascara. Take it on, take it on, take it on. Yes, so label cute. So this is what the product looks like. It has a typical mascara wand that we all know and love. And I simply take it and I apply the product to my lashes, to my brows rather, each of the brow. And you don't need much product. This is a very potent all natural product, so I use my fingers and just ensure that the product is properly incorporated, and this helps to stimulate the follicles. Yes, and I do the same for the lashes. Just put a couple strokes on my lashes, and if you should zoom closely enough, you can see that it actually gives the lash a little bit of pop, so you can wear it as a mascara if you want. Yeah, and the product is awesome. I use it every day. You don't have to use it every day if you don't want to. You can use it when you're home. You can use it on the road. And this product has a unique ingredient. I can tell you it has a unique ingredient that makes it very effective. And that ingredient is called ricinoleic acid. And that improves the circulation and ensures that better nutrients go to your follicles, thus stimulating the hair growth. So yeah, this is a daily part of my regimen. It helps to thicken and grow brows and lashes. I actually had a bald spot on one of my lashes, sorry, not lashes, on one of my brows, and over time, in no time actually, that started to go back in. So yeah, awesome product, awesome process. You're an awesome person.